Power from down, go. Never jump from high, jump. Do it again, go. Come on. Go. Go. Take me down. Lift. Down. Keep going. Squat position, breathe. Butt down. Lead, stay behind the big toe. Down, ready? Set up for hip, push through. Come on. Lift and go. 5 seconds. My core is contracted. This is that move that's gonna get you those really ripped shoulders. So you gotta work through. Come on. Push. Speed and power. Jump. 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 Back. Left. Front. Right. Back. Left. Front. Down. And up. Down. Come on, y'all. Breathe. Come on, y'all. Take the break if you need it, and go back into it when you're ready. Good job. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Mission X, just finished doing day 3, power, cardio, and resistance. It's part of the actual Shanti birthday challenge. Feeling the soreness from the actual workout the day before, and I'm enjoying exactly pushing through and getting through this actual journey itself. I'm seeing everybody posting their existing challenges in the existing challenge group. Really looking forward to the results that we're going to get from this particular workout. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to send me a message in Facebook chat, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks.